Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Angela from Uganda. Guys, chiche twina salad zizi no mana nawunze. Umanyi okuwunga zabadde ziwooma. Mukama ngayangambye I wish every day you can make such things. Twasose nakufuna nkoko yaffe teri magumba teliko skin. Then I'm going to season it with black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder and onion powder. Then I'm going to give it 30 minutes, 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, please don't forget to subscribe. How can you watch a full video without giving me a like? My dear friend, please give me a like. Bambi, mpenda ka video kano ka like, eh? Kwegayiridde. Then, let us tufune toast. Tugenda zitoasinga koko. Nazo zigenda kubeera mu salads. Let me toast them. I'm going to use olive oil. You can use butter if you want, but I'm going to use olive oil. When they turn brown, okay, let us change the pan now. After 30 minutes, our chicken is done. Then, while the other one is cooking, let us cut these cherry tomatoes. Cucumber. Mbabulireko zino salads bannange. Simanyi nze banyonyola naye just know, it was my first time ozikola bwende. Naye just know zibadde beyond. Lotus. And only what them okusala size zonna zoyagala nze I wanted big chunks. Mbegayiridde, if you can share this video, please, you can share it into WhatsApp group. Please, you can help me. Then, tukole dressing. Esinga okulungi ya salads, that is the dressing. Nafunye jiko zange 2 eza yogurt. Then, 1.5 spoon of olive oil. Then tekamo ka black pepper katini nnyo. Then tuteekemu kati tutandika okwassembulinga. Of course obeda tujja tubikola. Tuteekamu ka avocado kaffe. Najjukira avocado bweno bubi bannange. Tosi zaffe ez'emigatte ze twakaliridde. Plus yogurt. Wow. Bani sobola banyumiza kyena tuuseeko nazimixinze wente mukama wange nakubira muwala we. Thank you for watching, guys.